Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now we are going to learn some definitions regarding probability. Okay, some terminology. Okay, yeah, in that the first one is outcome. So as we all know, outcome in the sense what? Nothing but result, isn't it? Yeah, the result of a random experiment is called an outcome. Okay. For example, I selected this box. Okay, so I am going to take one item in this. One item in this. That means I have taken it. This is the result. So that is called as outcome. So outcome is nothing but the result of your random experiment is called an outcome. Now I tossed a coin. If I toss a coin, if I get head or tail, that is the outcome. Okay? Yeah. Next. Trial. Trial is nothing but any particular performance of a random experiment is called a trial, or conducting a random experiment once is known as trial. Okay, so if we conduct any experiment for the first time only once, it is called as trial. Okay, this word is very familiar regarding, see, when our players are going to play cricket, isn't it? Or when we are going to play some games like that. It is very familiar, isn't it? Trial. That means what? We conduct only once. Tossing a coin. Okay? Only once we conduct. That is called as trial. Okay? So sample space. Sample space is nothing but the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space. It is denoted by S. Okay? So, here, if you observe, I'm going to take one coin in this. Okay? That means all the coins in this box is sample space. Okay? All the coins, whatever there in this comes under sample space. Well, because I'm going to take one coin in this, I have selected this box. That means all these comes under sample space. And one coin is called as sample point. Okay, so that is the difference between sample space and sample point. So sample space is nothing but whatever we select to conduct the experiment, all the outcomes of that experiment are called as sample space. Okay, it is denoted by S. So example, when a coin is tossed, either head or tail will occur. Then sample space is head and tail. That means whatever will happen. Okay, those are called as sample space. Now sample point, as I told you. So any one of the outcome or output, we can also call as output of a sample space is called sample point. Nothing but if you consider this example, if you see this example, head and tail both are sample space. Here it is called as sample point and tail is also called as sample point. Nothing but, why? Because if you toss a coin, any one will happen. Any one outcome will get. So that means sample point is nothing but whatever the experiment we conduct, we get some result. We get some output. That is called as a sample point. Okay. And the next is events. Okay. Events. An event is the outcome of the experiment. So event is nothing but sample point is called as what? Outcome. Outcome is also called as what? Sample point. That sample point is also called as event, in other words. Okay. The possible outcomes of a random experiment are called events. So if only one outcome is there, it is called as event. Many outcomes are there means it is called as events. Okay. So events are generally denoted by capital letters. Okay. A, B, C, P, Q, or you can take anything, but usually it is denoted with capital letters. Okay. Next is types of events. There are many types of events. Simple event or elementary event we can call it as. composite event or compound event, we can call it as sure event, impossible event, random event, independent events, dependent events, mutually exclusive events, or disjoint events. Okay, these mutually exclusive events are also called as disjoint events. Next is mutually exhaustive events. Okay, or else we can simply call it as exhaustive events. Okay, equally likely events, complementary events, primary events, derived events. All these are the types of events. Okay, so we discuss about all these 13 events in our next video. Okay, yeah, thank you for watching this video. So if you are newly watching this video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.